Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to dive into all about Amazon travel must-haves. So with everything opening back up again and COVID restrictions being lifted, me and my family have been doing quite a bit of traveling. With that, however, we've purchased a couple things from Amazon that we feel are necessary for us to have the best time on our trips. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty, so the first thing that I want to recommend are these clear pouches. They come in a pack of 3 and they are perfect for storing like toiletries, like soaps, lotions, shampoos, anything like that. Anything that can essentially spill in your bag, these are perfect for. I like them because they come 3 in a pack and you're able to store multiple things in different ones. It's not as bulky, so if you only want to take one, you can. Or if you need two different bags for 2 different things, you can also use them like that. So these are absolutely great. I'm going to link everything down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out, but these are definitely a must. So the second thing are these toothbrush protectors. So this is what they look like. They're silicone. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So they're silicone and you just put your toothbrush in it and it protects it. So I think these are really great. They come in different colors. We have just really liked these a lot. So I'll link these down below as well. So I also have these shower caps. So if you're like me, I don't wash my hair every day, especially when I travel, because it's just too much of a hassle to blow dry or straighten or anything like that. So I'll have my hair done and then I'll put on one of these shower caps. These are a lot cheaper than the ones that you can get at like Sephora or Ulta, and it comes with like 7, I think. So they're not the best quality, but you can just use one of them, and then if you don't need it, you can just throw it away. But these are really, really good. Like I said, I don't like doing my hair every single day, especially when we're out traveling. It's just too much and it's another thing to worry about. So these are perfect to just store your hair up and protect your hair. Another absolute must are long cell phone chargers. So we have multiple cell phone cords here in the house. However, whenever you're traveling, you don't know where the bed is going to be near the outlet, especially wherever you're staying. It's important to have extra cell phone cables that you can just plug into the wall and you don't have to worry about it reaching. I think this one's like 15 feet or so. I'm not for sure. I'll link it down below, but it's very, very helpful whenever you're traveling to have a cord that kind of reaches to wherever you need to be, especially because you don't know what the space is going to look like when you get there. So definitely these are at the top of my list. The last purchases that I've made, and it's still in the packaging, is a mesh laundry bag. So I'll go ahead and zoom in so you can see it. We got this from Amazon as well. This is so helpful whenever you're traveling and you have dirty clothes. Usually we just put them in like a Walmart bag or something like that, but this is like its own like laundry bag in itself. So whenever you're traveling, you could just throw all the dirty clothes in here and then just take it home and straight into the laundry room for you to wash. So this is really, really great, and I definitely recommend. I think this was like $4 on Amazon. Like I said, we haven't opened it yet because we kind of discovered late that we really do need to invest in a laundry bag as well. All right, the next thing that you're gonna need is a battery charging pack. Now this one's a little bit big. We have smaller ones, but I couldn't find them. But this one's also from Amazon. It's a chargeable battery. So you charge it before you go on your trip. And then whenever you get there, it has 2 USB. I don't know if you can see that. It's not gonna focus. Anyways, it's got 2 USB outlets for it, so it's great if you and your significant other have cell phones to charge, or you and your child or anything like that. So I really recommend this battery pack from Amazon. All right, obviously this has to be kind of obvious, but I do recommend a bar soap container. I love bar soap. That's usually what I use. I prefer it over body gel or body wash. I just don't feel like you're as clean with it. So this is super helpful. You get this on Amazon. I think I got it in a 2-pack. You just put your bar of soap in there, and then you're good to go. You don't have to worry about it. And the last travel must-have from Amazon is going to be this makeup train case. I'll go ahead and open it and insert here a clip for you to look at it. But what I love about this is that you could just store all your makeup in here, your brushes. It's got multiple sections for like palettes and like bronzers and stuff like that, lipsticks, and it's adjustable, so it's really, really great to carry on, and it just comes in one compact case. It's zippable, and they have other different colors as well. They have like pink, I think, but I just got the black because it's just standard. But yeah, I really, really like this, and I think it's a great Amazon find. All right, you guys, that concludes my video on your Amazon travel must-have. If this was helpful for you, if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel, or leave a comment down below. As always, please subscribe if you want to see more things like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.